Orchids are one of those plants that everybody thinks, oh gosh, they're so hard to do. How could I possibly keep one alive? You get one for a gift and you're like, what am I going to do when the blooms die? The good things is they're actually not as hard as you might think. They really are an easy indoor plant as long as we give them what they need in order to survive. They're an epiphyte, which means they grow naturally vertically, and they have root systems that are anchoring systems that naturally attach to tree trunks, rocks, and other areas. So what that means is they need a lot of aeration around the root system. So if you're having an orchid inside, you want to make sure that that pot has a lot of holes in it, a lot of aeration, and it's not sitting in water. They do not like their feet, if you will, to be sitting in water. Also, you want to make sure that you put your plant in an eastern facing window. Morning sun is fabulous for orchids wherever you live. You don't want to put them in a south or a very west strong window where it gets too hot. But right on the windowsill in an eastern facing inside is perfect. If you are in an environment or a zone where you're not getting freezing temperatures, you can also hang them in a hanging basket on a patio or from a big oak tree. It's an understory plant, so it's going to love that dappled light.